Hello guys, and today we're gonna do another video, and my Target shopping video has been not released yet. Had been a problem with it. There might be no Wi-Fi and stuff, but I'm gonna take some of my guns here. He shoots the farthest. To meet me there. I'm just gonna send up my guns. So, you might have heard that was the alarm has gone off. When I opened the door, like, oh no, I tripped the alarm. So, first, soap. These are all the nerf guns we have. So, got the camera. First, let's start with the lavender. Yes. And I'm sorry, but I kind of have to mess up with it. So, let's see how far it shoots. Okay. We're gonna shoot 45 degrees, I hope. So, different range places. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I just shot it on the ground. Let's do this. I'm gonna take and fire. Okay. Well, that shot. Over here. The grass is kind of wet, so sorry about that. So that's one of the guns. It's kind of blurry out here because the sun is shining. It's kind of windy also. So I was turning. Okay, on to the next gun. It's a semi-automatic machine gun. So I don't have to. So we can use it for one hand. So let's do this. Yeah. Okay, that shot pretty closer to me, like over here. And that is 20 feet away. I'm obviously not gonna say any more ranges. Our first one, I know it's gonna be retaliator. I just know it's gonna be retaliator is better elite. It's elite. It's good. So next up, as you can see, the retaliator. Drop this down. Let's see how good it is. I got it. And yeah, it's 4 minutes and pretty sunny outside. So let's shoot it here. Okay, we played. That was a fail. Okay. Let's do this. Okay, we play again. I'm just. Okay. Hello, Father. Oh. Wow. I'll shoot it. Okay. Let's see how the darts landed. Okay. So this one landed about here, which is 10 feet away. Oh, we got a jam. Do you see that? Yeah, a jam in the table. That's why it's not shooting. Very hard. Let's just do that. Come down. Yeah, that's about 10 feet. It's good. And that is about 19 feet. This one landed about 25 feet. This one landed 10 more feet, 35 feet, 37.5 feet, and all the way down here, farthest. I think that this is our farthest, yeah. There's some in the grass over here. Have you noticed how curved? This one landed, yeah. This one landed, I was all the way over there, and it landed right here. And by closely, some ducks landed 70 feet away from me. As you can, it's impossible to see, but yeah, it's kind of impossible to see around here. But here's one of the dirts. Our farthest one landed almost in the drain. So that's our farthest one, and the winner is the Retaliator. If I want to dance, but I was doing it so quickly, so. And also it depends how quick they actually load, but somehow that's the new one. And that was 14, and it just failed. Because, yeah, but the Retaliator wins because it shot the farthest. I shot the other shot from the other guns. Let's do the Desolator first. Let's do this. I'm gonna hold the camera like that. Okay, a little falcon. Wow. For the law bringer. Okay. I'll do it under camera also. Without the camera. Okay. Let's just make it a little higher. Okay. Okay. It's not bad. Not bad at all. All the way up. Wow, that went in the box. Go a little farther. Nothing really ranges the lobby. I'll give the lobby the third place. Oh crap. It's a wasp. Oh crap. It's a wasp. It's wasp season. So don't want to bother it. So if I stand still, it's gonna get one away. Okay. Oh crap! A wasp. Oh, that was a close one. I should move around. Yeah. My mom has to get stuff. So I'm also gonna make a video where we're going to Cougar Fest. But my mom has to pick this up because there's a lot of wasps out there. I don't want to get stung. So I have to get my nerf stuff because there's a lot of wasps. There's wasps out there and I don't want to be stinged. So I have to find a way to shoot it? Yeah, I already shot them. So yeah, that's the end of the video. Our first place winner. Okay, crap. Something happened to my computer. We're gonna see what happens. Do this. Turn on. Yeah. Okay. Now just press OK. Something's going on with my computer. No, that's fine. What's going on? I have to pay for another computer. Something's going on with my computer. Spot menu update. Okay, I'm just gonna turn. Do you have Wi-Fi here? Yeah, that's the end of the video. Please subscribe and I see you guys next time. Bye.